Hello everyone and welcome back. Today I have something really cool and exciting to share with you. We have partnered with IvyPink Designs. Now, IvyPink is a crafter, designer, and creative person who has a love for hedgehogs. Go and check her out on Instagram at IvyPinkMade. Again, that's IvyPinkMade. Check her stuff out. She has adorable designs, bright, playful colors, and she uses texture in a beautiful way in all of her crafting designs. So we're so excited to be partnering with IvyPink, and we hope that you get a kick out of this set. Now, with that aside, I have a wider range of supplies, both already pre-made and cut, to be creating my card today. I have 2 Ranger ink pads. In addition, I have my clear stamping blocks in a small and a medium, my tape glue runner, tweezers, and an X-Acto knife. And I have some other supplies here. This is just a piece of cardstock with a really pretty metallic gold. I already went and cut out a star from this paper. So it's just another way for you to reuse, or maybe if you don't have an idea or you need a little embellishment, cut some of the shapes out from your paper, get a nice and sharp X-Acto blade. The newer, the better. And I just went in and cut it out, and it looks something like this. In addition, I have some other stars cut out from my Cricut Joy machine, and these were just some really simple kind of starburst shapes. And then I have the cutout from the middle, so obviously I'm going to save those. And I also have some pink embellishing. These are just some felt cutouts. You can get these from Michael's, Hobby Lobby. Never underestimate the Target dollar section too. And these are just little crafting additives. I also have a little piece of slightly stretchy pink lace. And speaking of extra crafting materials, these are marketed as lace stickers. I purchased these off of Amazon, and they come in all different kinds of different shapes and sizes. So this is very reminiscent of my grandmother's beautiful tablecloth, and some more fun, cute designs like a little star or a heart. So these are really cute and they're easy to find. Just get them online, lace stickers. So, and of course they're see-through, which is nice. Now, I have everything out. There's a lot of supplies, and I am going to be taking my time to create a really cute pink hedgehog greeting card. To start, I already have a 4x6 card. This is just with some watercolor cardstock. In addition, I have already attached my scalloped rectangle shape to this kind of pink vertical stripe paper. This is going to lay on top. I also have my little strand of lace. And this is my little banner. I just cut out a piece of the end of a cardstock and cut a little triangle, and my little embellishment up top. My hedgehog is going to go somewhere on the bottom, and I could even kind of move this down. So that's my vision. Let's get into it. I want to stamp my stuff pretty quick here because I want it to have time to fully set. With these archival inks, you don't need as much of a dry down time as a pigment ink pad, but it's still good, in my opinion, just to set them aside, let them get nice and dry. And there's 3 different hedgehogs. They are all the same silhouette, but they all have a little change in their expression. I think I'm gonna go with this first hedgehog here, kind of getting ready to give a hedge hug. And he's just got a really happy expression. All right. Next, I'm going to start attaching everything, and all right, I'm gonna get my foam feet. I'm also going to add one in the middle so I don't get that kind of scooped down effect, especially since I'll be having a bunch of other layerables on top. And here I'm just making sure everything is lining up where it needs to be. Sometimes with these lace or tulle or twine, whatever you're using, the tape glue runner can't always hold something like this down. It's super light, it's delicate, it's stretchy, it moves. So you can just take some fine line liquid glue, and I'm just gonna do kind of like an up-down motion. And just kind of push that down. And trim that because I just don't need that much. And then I'm gonna do some glue on this felt. I'm gonna set that over there so it can dry and not be bumped or messed with. And then I'm just gonna take my alcohol markers. I'm not gonna add a crazy amount of color to this hedgehog. But I definitely want to get his ears, his cheeks, his mouth, and I should probably get his little belly too. Look at how cute that is. I'm just going to go in and just give my eyes a little, there we go. Also, this set comes with a whole plethora of little doodads and bits and bops for your hedgehog to be holding. For example, I have different art supplies, some seasonal little, pumpkins or clovers, flowers, things of that nature, and also some other additional kind of cute embellishments, a present, party hat, a heart, and a bow. And I think I'm gonna go with the heart and the bow today because I think it fits with the overall look of what I'm going for. So let's take this guy off. I really took my time on this card, and I must say I'm loving the result. Sometimes it's best just to take it slow and let the process guide you rather than rush through, make a bunch of mistakes, and therefore not be quite happy with what you made. Today I think I really channeled IvyPink, and I really took notes from her Instagram page with her bright colors, her great use of texture, and her really cute aesthetic. With that said, we would love to see what you will create using IvyPink's stamps. So please hit us with a hashtag stamp with us, and that way both of us can see what you will create next. Thank you so much for joining, and be sure to check out IvyPink Designs on Instagram. Thanks for watching.